Hi, my name is Andrew Udding and I'm the owner and operator of Dynamic Repair Services. Starting off with just a dream, I decided to quit my job and build this building that you see here today. At Dynamic Repair, what we do is truly dynamic. Today, we now offer small engine repair as well as automotive and trailer repair. We can service any year, make, model automotive and any year, make, model snowmobile to lawnmower. For our customers, our labor rates are lower than many local shops and our customer service is second to none.
DRS takes care of our company fleet, our company trailers, and any small engine repairs we have. Their customer service is top-notch. The boys have done a great job.
Life is very busy and I don't have time to work on all my quads and snowmobiles and all the toys that I have, so they're my go-to choice. I can count on them. I wouldn't go anywhere else.
Spending your hard-earned dollar on repairs is never fun, but at DRS we are fast, affordable, and reliable, and we will have you back on the road in no time. We look forward to keeping you safe on the road, experiencing less breakdowns, and keeping your small engines running for years to come. Trust in Dynamic Repair, your local small-town shop, on your next small engine or automotive repair, and you'll be happy you did.